15, I am talented, where we just covered the neuroscience of being talented, what being talented really means in the brain, and why you cannot recognize your own talent, and how can you make sure with my talent recognition audit you recognize your own talent with a 7-day of audit every single evening for only 2 minutes, and then how you can actually use it to make your life happen, to work on your life. I invited you to apply for our NHS neuroplasticity program, a 52-week masterclass of deep dive practical neuroscience. The link to apply for that is below. Yes, I'm a real scientist, a geneticist, a brain cancer researcher, also developed cancer immunotherapy, so I know a lot about brain, neuro, genetics, immunology, and I created programs that is surrounding all of it. And with those programs, I literally saved my own life and keep saving my own life every single day for the last 3 years. So if you're interested for me to help you to get to your 2.0 version, your next chapter for the rest of your life, I invite you to apply for our NHS neuroplasticity program. And of course, I can also work one-on-one with you. So with that being said, if you're new here, what we are doing every single week, besides our neuroscience explanation masterclass, I'm also looking to using my intuition and cognitive focus. What can we expect during this week, every single week? What can we expect? And I will give you guidance based on intuition and using my statement cards. Okay, so let's get started for this week, starting from week 15. I am talented, April 13, 2026. We are starting with my I am statement cards, and yes, at the end of the week we have a rune card, and this means the end of the week, where yes, on Friday we have a new moon in Aries, and we are on my cards. I'm using my cards for 3 years, the last 3 years, every single week. There was not one time when my cards were not accurate. Everyone can attest to that. Let's go, okay? So first we have the beginning of the week, Monday and Tuesday, number 13. I am powerful. We literally covered this last week. My God. I am powerful was literally week 14. We covered the neuroscience of what that means to be powerful, and that power is learned. And the innate state is being powerless. And to get to the power is actually the next step. So I am powerful means we are actually have achieved how to gain power, and I can completely see that. I felt it today. I cannot believe this. Today's Tuesday. I literally felt it today. I was the entire day walking like this. I dressed up like this, heels and all the jewelry, I felt like this today. I swear to you. I had a shawl on and people were like turning around and staring at me. I was walking like this. I had I'm like, that's me, baby. I could feel it. I could feel it. I could feel it. That's what it is. Tell me in the comments if you felt like that too. Then the second, from Wednesday and Thursday, we have, look at this. Look at this. Number 10, round numbers come up. This means it's bold. It's bold. That's number 10 reduces down to 1. And this is I am radiant. How can this not be after being powerful? We are shining like a radiator. I am radiant. Oh my God. And chapter is starting from Wednesday to Thursday. Let me know. And then guess what? We had this literally last week with I am powerful. We have it again. Friday, new moon in Aries, it's on. 7 planets in Aries, and I'm an Aries ascendant, so I can tell. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, boom, Sovilo. Not only that is my rune card, means bold, strong, but it's Sovilo. Oh my God. Sun, success, enlightenment. Sun, success, enlightenment. How can we not be successful if we are powerful, if we are radiant, and then boom, Sovilo. My God, you need to let me know in the comments. And then on the overall, what's the overall? Guess what? 27, 2 plus 7 is 9. We are closing the chapters and starting brand new. I am visionary. With I am talented, then the next week I am skilled, and the next week after that is I am gifted, and the first week of May in the Taurus season is week 18, I am rich. It starts this week. It starts this week. For the next 3 weeks, hang tight, get all your audits, the link is below, get all your audits and start working on your talent. Find out your talent, find out your skills, and find out your gifts, and then use it. Boom, I am visionary. Then, because the 2.0 version and the next chapter will be so clear, because it will be what? Effortless. Then, our cognitive focus is usually the questions through my success statement cards and gratitude statement cards. Those are usually giving us a deep dive into what all of this really means, either giving an answer or giving a homework. And here we got, this one came out, the success statement, which oftentimes is these are my rock star cards. I call them my rock star, even like they can be an oracle, if you will. These are my own words I said to myself my entire life. So my own words for my own life. They're 1000% accurate, okay? And we have 36, again, 3 plus 6 is 9. Chapters are closing, and we have, I know that life brings things to me that help me grow and to be a stronger person. So we are overcoming challenges this week, that whatever comes up, know that this leads to us to be growing, being radiant, being more powerful, and at the end achieve success. So whatever comes to us or at us this week, we learn to grow from it and to use it to help us grow and to be more powerful, more radiant, more successful. Okay? Never forget that. See how like educational this is, like really I love my success statement cards. And then our gratitude statement card was at the bottom, and that is number 22. 2 plus 2 is 4, stability, okay? And this is, I'm grateful for my parents always trusting me and believing in my dreams, hopes and wishes, and allowing me to achieve them. I am loved. Oh my God, we haven't had this card for a really long time. Even through last year, we never had this card really for a really long time. 22. Oh, the stability, do you feel that? Do you felt that? When I read, I just felt like, oh. Do you hear the words that's in here? The words in my cards are so important and critical, because they always match everything what's going on. Believing in my dreams, hopes, and wishes, and allowing me to achieve them. So we are achieving our hopes, dreams and wishes this week. Oh my God, look at this. And then when I took this off, underneath that, by the way, I put these two decks together. They are each 44 decks. I put them together. Underneath of that was, look at this, 35. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 means not only power, but also prosperity. And guess what? I am truly grateful for every second of my life. Every moment of it is a treasure that enriches me. I am rich. Didn't I say it? Didn't I say it? I'm telling you, it starts this week. Watch it. Watch it. Friday, Saturday, Sunday is the time. It is the time. And that leads to richness. I'm telling you. Because I just also put a sale, 25% sale on my entire Etsy store until Friday. So take advantage of that. Maybe that I will get sales. And this, guys, this is crazy, okay? So you let me know. And then what we will receive from the heavens once we do all of this is, guess what? 37, 3 plus 7 is 10 and reduces down to 1 again. And the horn of the train, as I said that, a breakthrough. We are getting a breakthrough. Something will be a break. I just felt in my brain like break off. I just felt that break off. I was about to say break off. Something will break off from the outline. I have one video is a breaking off my entire channel, okay? It's an outliner. It's break off will lead to the breakthrough. This is crazy. You let me know. This is coming from the heavens, okay? From the heavens this week. And on the bottom, oh my God, the train. And on the bottom, we have 47. 4 plus 7 is 11. And this is positive energy. Guys, I'm telling you. This is insane, okay? Oh my God. And at the bottom underneath that is 11 again. 11, a sign. We are getting a sign that we are breaking off, break through. And then, oh my God, underneath that, 29 again. 2 plus 9 is 11. 3 times 11 now. 3 times 11, a chance for a trip. A chance for a trip. And then, underneath that, 1 plus 6, 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. Miracles. 7 to people, okay? Miracles. So it can be any area of our lives. So you let me know. This is incredible, guys. So please let me know in the comments. This is unbelievable. So I want you to please enjoy this week. Get your chin up, your chest out, shoulders back, and get your health regulation audit to check how's your sleep, how's your movement, how's your inflammation status, and get an overview for 7 days, real life data. And if you decide to work one-on-one with me, I will use those core baseline data to create a personalized system for you so that you can apply based on your body, your biology, and based on your life, and also what your 2.0 version looks like, where you want to go in life, taking all of this into consideration, because on this channel, obviously, we're working on you and you only, because you are the one creates the life for you. I want you to watch next the what being healthy really means and get your health regulation audit and apply for the NHS neuroplasticity program, a 52-week timeless neuroscience, practical neuroscience masterclasses, all the audits, all the protocols, and I will see you next week. Enjoy this week. Bye-bye.